Hello again. You see, really nice winter here. It's done. All right. So I've been asked a few more details about fixing this Kurzweil KA110 or SP-5500 from Thomann, Medeli, and some other brands. You know, they've been using the same technology, the same keys, the same keyboard, and so on. We see the point is that I believe there was a problem with these hammers from the early beginning, from the factory, I may say, and all these hammers got destroyed. You see that plastic cover got ruined. So first of all, we have two kinds of hammers. You see, let me call this claws. You know, it's looking like an animal claw. So the long ones, a little curve here, are for. Let me have a white piece of paper here to see the difference. Okay, so like I said, the long and curved are for all the black keys, and the other one straight and a little up orientated, I may say, are for the white keys. And we have 4 different kind of hammers. Let me show you. Let me take one of these. This is the full weighted one. So this is the most heavy in the keyboard. The heavy ones are starting from this key here, which is an A, okay? And it goes, I believe, to, what's wrong with you? And they are going till up here. And this is, let's see, because I put some numbers. There we are. And it's going to, it's F sharp, or take it the other way, number 34. Okay, you see, that's the F sharp. And then starting with number 35, we're gonna start having this kind of keys, a little bit lighter. And okay, the idea is starting with the heavy ones and going to the light ones. That's the rule. So the heavy ones will be on the left side, and the lighter one will be far right. B and D and C and so on. Okay, that's not so hard to put them back. The problem is reconstructing, repairing these hammers. It's kind of difficult. I use a mold, as you can see in my previous videos, and it's looking like the project. It's okay for now. And now let me show you how they are looking once they are in place. So the heavy ones there, and going up we got to lighter and even lighter, and most lightest one here. That's the way they are looking. The single problem I have to face, or to fix in fact, is a way to keep them in place. So I think I'm gonna have some super glue, or hot glue in fact, on the other side to keep them steady. That's the single element I couldn't reproduce with this resin, is this key here. We should have a key right here. You see, this one keeps the hammer in place. Look here, something like that. but because the resin it's not flexible, this key is getting broke. But with a little imagination, I can reproduce that with some hot glue one by one. But of course, I have to finish all these hammers, you know. I have to, let's call it, print all the plastic again, and eventually check the keys, check the contacts for the right pressure and the right action, and later to have this finally secure in place, so they are not falling like this one, you see, like this. I'm also thinking about a way to keep the keys somehow down there in place, but for now I got no other solution. And it's such a waste, it's such a pity, because it's a really nice keyboard with really nice action, piano style, which could be a really interesting. I love, you feel the weight, you feel the action, and it's very natural. But I don't know what's happened with the originals, what kind of plastic they've been used, what kind of rubber, or it's looking like a kind of siliconic rubber or something. Anyway, okay, so once again, this is an A, the far on the left, going with the heavy ones to F sharp here, to this F sharp, and that's number 34 in my situation. And then we have another 23, a little bit lighter, to this F, and then the rest of them. So rule is heavy on the left, light on the right. That's it. Okay, I hope it's useful. Please like, subscribe, comment. That helps me to, to maintain the channel running. And yeah, if you have any question, write them down. See you soon. Have fun. Bye bye.